At noon a certain day, Minneapolis is n degrees warmer than St. Louis. At 4, the temperature in Minneapolis has fallen by 5 degrees, while the temperature in St. Louis has risen by 3 degrees. At which time the temperature in the two cities differ by 2 degrees. What is the product of all possible values of n? At noon, we'll call the temperature in St. Louis at noon L. So the temperature in Minneapolis is n degrees warmer than L. So L plus n equals the temperature in Minneapolis. At 4 o'clock, it's true that when the temperature has fallen in Minneapolis by 5 degrees, we have the temperature in St. Louis has risen by 3 degrees. There are two different scenarios here because we just know that the temperature in the two cities differs by 2 degrees. So in one scenario, the temperature in Minnesota is 2 degrees warmer than the temperature in St. Louis, so we need to add 2 here. And so we get that m minus 5 is equal to L plus 5. And simplifying that, we get that m is equal to L plus 10. Or it's the case that the temperature in St. Louis is 2 degrees warmer than the temperature in Minnesota. So in that case, we add 2 here, and that is equal to L plus 3. So here we have m minus 3 is equal to L plus 3. So we have m is equal to L plus 6. Remember, these are the temperatures at noon. So going back here, now we need to find out the product of all possible values of n. So finding the different values of n, we can plug in first this value of m. So L plus n is equal to, m could equal L plus 10. So it's equal to L plus 10. And in this scenario, n is equal to 10. Or L plus n, we found that m could be equal to L plus 6. So L plus n is equal to L plus 6. And in this case, n would be equal to 6. So the two possible values of n are n equals 6 and n equals 10. So the product of these possible values is 6 times 10, which is 60. So the answer is choice C.